What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today we're going over the Curt Echo wireless brake controller. Now, this brake controller is great if you don't have a brake controller already in your vehicle, wired into it, and everything like that. This is simple and easy to use. You just put it between your vehicle and your trailer, 7-way. You scan the QR code on the back of your packaging to download the app, and you enter your PIN right in there. We're going to show you how to do that, how to set that up. This allows you to monitor your braking activity and automatically apply the trailer brakes when you hit the brake pedal on your vehicle. And you can also hit the button on your phone to emergency apply the brakes. But we'll get into all of that right now. Quick note or disclaimer here, you are going to be connecting your vehicle and your trailer with a hitch, so obviously it just looks like this for demonstration purposes. You're going to want that hitch on the vehicle connecting the trailer, and then you can use your 7-way. So this right here is your trailer's 7-way, and right here is your vehicle's 7-way, and you can just plug it in right in there, and this is going to give you power to your trailer, the lights, all of that, and it's going to allow the brakes to engage, so when your vehicle brakes, your trailer is also going to brake. Now, where the brake controller comes in, this is going to allow you to monitor your brakes and more control over them, and you're even going to be able to manually engage them without actually hitting your brakes. So you take this, plug it into the 7-way, and you're going to see a flashing blue light. That's how you know it's in. You're going to take your trailer 7-way, plug it right in there, and you're going to see a flashing yellow light. And then when it connects correctly, you're going to see a flashing green light just like this. That's how you know it's in correctly. And then you're going to download the app by scanning the QR code on the back of the package. And we'll show you how to set it up from there. This can get wet, and it's going to be absolutely fine. And you do need Bluetooth to connect to it. Now, the common question, what happens if it disconnects from Bluetooth? Well, it's going to revert to the last saved setting if your phone dies or is disconnected from Bluetooth, so it's still totally safe to tow if your phone dies or you get disconnected from Bluetooth. The other great thing is you can control all 4 axles, up to 4 axles, on your trailer if you have that many. So 8 wheels in total, which is great, all from your phone. So let's show you how to set this up. So first problem is a common problem people are going to run into, but you want to make sure you're not connected to Echo yet on Bluetooth from here, or else the whole thing's not going to work. It's going to tell you your pairing's not connected. You might not even know that you're connected to it in the Bluetooth, so you want to check here first. Then you're going to go back into the app, and under Echo, you're going to click Pair Device. Click your device, connect. Then it's going to ask you for a PIN, which you are going to find on the underside of your Echo right there. And I'll show you what it looks like when you want to add a new profile. So we're going to add trailer, vehicle, we'll just say Jeep, trailer, say our StarCraft here. That part doesn't really remember, but here's your profile. We're going to pair that same Echo, of course. Now, once your phone is synced up and paired, you're going to see this green light that is not flashing. That's how you know you are ready to go. So obviously you don't need to hit this button every time you want to use the brakes. This is just if you want to use them manually. So you'll see, you just hit that, and that'll show you the brakes hitting. And since we have it at 50 maximum output, you see it's going to go about halfway. If you put it all the way up to 90, it's going to basically go all the way. And if you put it at like 20, it's going to go 20% of the way. So the normal way you're going to be braking is just with your truck. So when I hit the brakes, you'll see that shows how much output it's using and how much it's being engaged. And obviously, since we're parked, it's putting out Not much output, but that's exactly what it's going to look like. You can mount it to here if you really want to, but most of the time you don't even really need it on you probably, or you're probably not going to want it on you. It's really just for emergencies that you're going to want to do it manually, but if you like to monitor your brakes, you can obviously have it out as well. Then you have all these settings. Again, the maximum output, sensitivity, and all that. Then you're going to have the profiles. So the great thing about this, it can save an unlimited amount of profiles on your phone, but when you use the brake controller on multiple phones, it's going to save the last 5. So if you switch from this phone to your wife, your partner's phone, it's not going to remember all of them, but it is going to remember the last 5, which is great. So then you'll just remember the settings exactly how you like. When you open it, it's going to give you the disclaimers. And there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, use at your own risk. Do your research and talk to either us or the dealership more about it before using. I will put a link in the description to Curt's website so you can learn more about the Echo for yourself. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.